Hello friends, today I am going to show you some more magic. Here I have taken the lips ka picture in PicsArt. I have opened it in PicsArt. The lipstick is there in blue color. I want to change the design, complete design and the colors of the lips. Okay, I have opened this picture in PicsArt in the edit mode. I am adding a photo here. I am adding a photo. I have taken this one photo of the rangoli and this one photo of the rangoli, and I am tapping on add. Okay, now these two pictures have come. I am taking this pic one down and this other one I am keeping it up. Okay, and I am rotating this. This is as per my requirement, what I have in my mind, increasing the size of the picture as per the lip. I am increasing the size of the picture. I want just the upper part of the design on the lip. Okay, this is what I have in my mind. I'm just taking the upper part and increasing the size accordingly, according to the lip. Now I can't see the lip behind. Now how do I adjust the size? What I can do is this opacity here, you can see the bar. I'm just increasing and decreasing. Now you can see behind, you can see only the lips. If I bring it somewhere here, I can see faintly both the lip and the picture of the rangoli. Okay, now I want to rub the picture of the design according to the lip. So I'll tap on this brush, go to this eraser is selected. I'm taking the size. Yes, this is the size I want, so I'm saying okay. Okay, now I'll rub the part which is not there on the lip. Okay, now this part is not there on the lip. I'm rubbing off it with my finger. I'm rubbing it with my finger here. Whatever part is there outside the upper lip, I'm just putting this design in the upper lip. So I'm moving my finger outside the upper lip, and whatever is there, the whole thing that is there below the upper lip, even on the downside here, you can see here the teeth also has to be seen. So I'm removing that design from the teeth also. You can see the teeth now clearly. Okay, now this is what I have done. I'm saying okay here. When I tap on the click, you can see the design of both. I'm again going on the opacity. Now you can see only the lip part, the rangoli part is being seen. I can just tap outside. See, the design has come on the upper lip. Now I want to do the lower lip. I'm taking this design from here. Okay, now same way I'm going to do.